I can try if you let me. With our lives I am bleeding.
Hi YouTubers and welcome back to my channel. I'm Susie if you're new here. Today we are going to do FlyLady Babystep number 10, and that is set bedtime, drink water and exercise. So FlyLady, in her book Sync Reflections, it's not all about decluttering and cleaning, it's also about taking care of yourself. So we start with setting bedtimes. I show you here. I have two times when I go up in the morning. It's 5:45 and 6:45, and that depends on if I'm going to the office, taking the bus to the office, or if I'm working from home. So then you can see that I have a bedtime 10:45 and 11:15, and in that way I know that I get 8 hours of sleep. If you have the alarms also in the evening, then you are reminded that now it's the bedtime. Don't forget to drink 6 to 8 glasses of water each day.
Before, and now I'm afraid of the person I'm pretending to be, but I'm more afraid to tell you I'm less than you see. And I know when I let go right now, I'm gonna turn you against me. 'Cause baby, you stayed on the ground while I was high.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. And this is written in Swedish, of course. And today is Saturday, so I'm going to make a cross here.
Want you to see that you are.
And now it's time for exercise. I do a workout a couple of times each week, and each day I take walks with my dog Molly. Before the walk, we used to train rally obedience. And first we have to warm up.
Yes, baby, you stayed on the ground while I was high. Yes, you've been here before. You closed the door. Now I don't know.
As you can see, she needs to do heel work on both left and right side, since we compete in advanced class.
That you are the reason why I try. I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day.
Now I want her to give me her right paw. And then I also want her to give me a high five with her back paw.
My world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. Please subscribe so you don't miss out of anything. Next time we go into menu plan. See you! Bye bye!